Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about Terra Classic price prediction, and I come up with results that it could potentially cost 6 cents. I want to show you the analysis I made and how I come up with this number. And before I start, I really want to say thank you guys for watching me, more and more people joining my channel. Thank you guys for all your support, especially during this bear market, tough times in crypto space. To analyze Terra Classic, I used the data from today from CoinMarketCap, using the price, the circulation, and total supply of it. And there is some things I want to mention and highlight here. Now it is actually ranking number 213, and this is the supply with 6,500,000,000 of LUNC, which is very crazy actually number because of those printed coins during the crash of UST. And it also shows total supply, which is 5% more than we see now in circulation. It is because of the burn, and it was mostly a community burn, but it is potentially tax burn of LUNC and also UST burn. It is not something that just some random things from people like in Twitter or somewhere, or just want to pump Luna and saying it's going to be burned. It is because two proposals which was passed from Luna Foundation. First one is tax burn 1.2% of all transactions, and second one is burn of remaining UST in the community pools, which is still not in progress as I see, but it was passed, and potentially we could see this burn, and it is already 5% less in circulation, which I think is good to see. So to clarify how I came up with 6 cents calculation. So we see the current market cap now, which is like $600 million currently, which is not big at all. And how to calculate the market cap? It is supply multiplied by price, and here you could see the current supply 6.5 billion and current price. And as we are aware of this burn, and we also know that their ideal total supply should be 10 billion LUNC. Why they want 10 billion LUNC at the end? It's because previously UST was back to Luna, and with 10 billion of LUNC, it will be same as we have in circulation for USTC, with almost also 10 billion USTC. So that's why the target for them to burn Luna with this tax burn mechanism until total supply is equal 10 billions. So we could make assumption and saying that the burn is going to continue until this 10 billion in circulation. Yeah, it will take long time, and all those lines, as we see this total supply decreased by 5%. I just also making assumptions that we will see some time periods with those 5%. For this 5%, it took like a couple of months to see this supply, 1-2 months. And I think that something will follow. So I did like all this until 10 billions actually as the ideal, and making like the assumptions that market cap won't change. In this case, if we are burning the supply, and maybe market cap could also decrease, but as LUNC is very trendy coin, people are believing in the growth. They're thinking that it could potentially go to $1. So I could say that I don't expect the market caps going lower, because it's like ranking 213 now is currently very bad market conditions. Maybe it's like bottom formation for Bitcoin, or like we are close to the bottom for sure. So I would say that market cap won't change, at least not decrease. And if we're going to this bottom, like price with tax burn till 10 billion of LUNC, and the same market cap, we will see this price of 6 cents, which will give us 64,000% of gain from current price, and it is going to be 64x from now. And there are some still like things I want to mention and highlight here. So if we can compare this existing market cap with some historical data, I took April 10 as the example with the historical snapshot data. At this period of time, Terra had the market cap of $32 billion, and compared with current of 600 millions, it is only 1.81%. Of this market cap, which is like so small, and that's why I could say that LUNC could definitely have it later on, even with this burn. I think it's still possible. And the thing what makes me concerned, like in a negative way, so if we are talking about this burn, and if like a supply to be burned to come up with this total supply of 10 billion, we need to burn 99.8% of the current supply, and in this case it will be 10 billion, like this ideal number, and it seems very like ambitious goal, but you know, it could be it's just the model. It could be like market cap could increase, maybe like for some reason UST will perform better. And let me say like and show you the main reasons to see LUNC's price increase, in my opinion. So the first one is this two proposal which were passed, like LUNC tax burn and UST burn. It is also Binance and other exchanges support. I did the video talking about why I think that Binance will support like LUNC and the reasons behind this, as well as other exchanges. You know, they need also making money and profits, and this is really trendy coin, and for exchanges, one of the sources of income is those trading fees, and they could definitely benefit from making more noise about LUNC and a new Luna as well. So I definitely think that it's a good thing for us, the holders of LUNC and Luna Classic. I also think that I didn't put it here. Let me also put it. I think that community is really strong. You know, people really believe in it, and they kind of like supporting it. And one more thing is like Doc One personality. It could be different, like pros and cons about his like personality, you know, but at the same time he's very goal driven, and if he wants like to see like his comeback, like and being like great again, he will reach this goal and make Luna 2.0 a great blockchain, and he will find the utility for LUNC, and he will back like the pack for USTC for $1. At least it is something we could believe in. I mean, we could see in future, but I think it's something that could be also a good sign for us. So we will see how it goes. For now, it is like trending in average, about like this price a bit down for some period of time, but we will see how it goes. So USDC is about 3 cents for now. I'm still hoping we see it back close to $1, but who knows. And yeah, it is all, guys, I wanted to share with you today. Thanks, guys, for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.